Hello and welcome to Meditation Eye. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of creating your own meditation space at home. This is the second video in our Beginner's Guide, Meditation 101 series. Creating a dedicated meditation space in your home can be a game changer for your practice. It provides a tranquil sanctuary where you can retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life, helping you to focus and deepen your meditation practice. So, how do you create a meditation space that resonates with tranquility and serenity? Let's dive in. Firstly, choose a space that feels good. It doesn't have to be an entire room. A quiet corner or an alcove can work just as well. The key is to find a place where you feel calm and undisturbed. Next, keep the room clean and uncluttered. A clutter-free environment can help create a clutter-free mind, allowing you to focus better during your meditation sessions. Comfort is crucial in a meditation space. Ensure you have a comfortable place to sit. This could be a cushion, a chair, or even your bed. If you're sitting on the floor, consider using a cushion or blankets to prop your hips up higher than your knees to alleviate pressure. Lighting plays a significant role in setting the mood for your meditation. Natural light is ideal, but if that's not possible, consider using soft, warm lighting to create a soothing atmosphere. Personalize your space with items that ground you in your practice. This could be anything from crystals, a singing bowl, or mala beads. However, remember to keep these items minimal to avoid creating clutter. Lastly, consider incorporating elements of nature into your space. Plants can improve air quality and create a connection to the natural world, enhancing the calming effect of your meditation space. Creating a meditation space is a personal journey. It's about creating a space that resonates with you and supports your meditation practice. So, feel free to experiment and adjust until you find what works best for you. That's all for today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know how your meditation space creation is going. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. So, be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.